Reproduction is defined as the biological process with the help of the making a new offspring. With it is kept, and there's a two types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction. In this method, a single individual is capable. It is only single individual is capable. There's no need of two organisms, and the one single is capable for producing any offspring. Like as a clone, this is a good example. The first parent cell, and the second one parent cell is divided into birds, and birds in divided into two parts like amoeba. First nucleus, and nucleus is divided in one part, two part, and three, and after the cell division is called the daughter cell, and the daughter cell is divided into amoeba, the three parts. And asexual reproduction can be held by the four types. First is the binary fission. Binary fission, where a cell is handled two and rapidly grows into an adult, is principium. It is and what is a geospore? The most common structures of a geospore, that is a very microscopic structure. They contain as many production, and the other common reproduction is condia and birds. And the third is vegetative propagation. A vegetative propagation is frequently the plants, the unit of vegetative propagation, such as a runner, rhizome, and strigis. And what is a graft? And the second was the grafting. We cut the flower into two parts, two pieces, and then we grow in the soil like the rose. And vegetative propagation. What is vegetative? When is example of when we cut flower a flower of a tree of a mango, and we cut her stem, and we connected the rose, and the rose is also growing, and also mangoes. What is the sexual reproduction? In sexual reproduction, when male and female gametes are fertilized to making new offspring, is known as reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Human are also sexual reproduction. So reproduction, and the period of growth is known as the genuine, is known as vegetative phase. The and the sec and the after 1 minute. So sexual reproduction is held into three types. First is pre-fertilization event. Pre-fertilization. This includes the making of two gametes. The making of female and male gametes are known as the pre-fertilization event, and the pre-fertilization events of the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the helpful process of the making of the male and female gametes. Gametes are cells. It is known as three example of it, and the first is given at the type of is isogametes, Cladophora of Alanelga, and Heteropora, and the third one is the human beings. First is the male reproductive system, and the second one is and their contents sexually in organisms. Sexual reproduction generally involve fusion. Sometimes they involve fusion and the recollection of it. And the second one is cell division. The gametogenesis sometimes make gametes are two types, male and female. Gametes are haploid. They have only one offspring to they get to grow up once again, and diploid they have need two. And the third, and after gametogenesis, there is gamete transfer. Gamete transfer. And what is and once again can be pre-fertilization events. This includes the sexual reproduction period, and the making of gametes are known as pre-fertilization. The topic and after the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of the formation of the two types of gametes, female and male gametes. The first is given, and the second is given as after pre